Hey there, fellow product managers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I wanted to dwell into a topic that is crucial for your career growth: self evaluation. Let me share a personal experience that will shed light on this matter and question how we can bridge the gap in our expertise. As product managers, we all aspire to grow and excel in our roles. And to achieve that, self evaluation is paramount. I am Ramesh Babu, product leader, transformation expert. I help junior and middle level IT product managers to enrich their career, compound their salary, get promoted and transform as global leaders and deliver quality products to their customers. You see, self-evaluation can be done at 4 distinct levels. Let's break them down together. Level 1, a score of 1 signifies a lack of knowledge and experience in a particular area. Level 2, a score of 2 indicates a fundamental awareness and the ability to explain the work. Level 3, a score of 3 demonstrates consistent proficiency with little or no management support required. Level 4, a score of 4 represents expertise, allows you to transfer your knowledge to others. Now, here's the critical question. What if you find yourself scoring a 2 in analyzing competitors? This raises 2 potential gaps that we need to address. The gap between 2 and 3. How do we progress from being proficient to consistently carrying out the work? The gap between 2 and 4. How can we elevate ourselves from proficiency to become true experts? To bridge these gaps effectively, it's essential to align our goals with our organization's expectations. We must devise work plans tailored to either bridge the single gap or simultaneously address both challenges. However, success hinges upon a shared understanding of several key aspects. The specific work involved in improving our proficiency, additional responsibility that come with being a product manager, identifying and allocating the necessary financial resources, then collaborating cross-functional to execute our work seamlessly. Without a common understanding of these areas, both we and our organizations might be left disappointed with the true results. So, fellow product managers, let's reflect on this. How can we bridge those gaps in our expertise? What steps can we take to improve our proficiency and become true experts in analyzing the competitors? Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions on product management. Until next time, keep evolving and excelling in your roles. Thank you.